sun rays. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. As you will recall, in a previous video, I did a Mother's Day haul where I showed you some products that I picked up with some gift cards that I got on Mother's Day. One of the brands that I picked up was INAHSI. I picked up a travel size little kit of some of their products. So because of that, they reached out, or they didn't reach out just to me. I'm sure they reached out to a lot of people, but they sent out an email saying that they were going to be putting out some new products, wanted to know if I wanted to try them, and I said yes. So I took their little questionnaire or whatever, and they sent some products, some new products that they're going to be putting out. Of course, these are samples, they're not even in the, you know, INAHSI packaging or whatever. They're in sample packaging. So, you know, they're not pretty or anything like that, but I did want to show them to you. I happened to get them in, and so I was like, hey, great. So I did subscribe to their email, and that's probably why I got these. And some of you may have gotten that same email. But anyway, I believe it is called the Pamper My Curls collection that they're going to be coming out with. So I just wanted to show you what I got. So they sent me a box, and in this box are 3 products. So the first product they sent me was the Pamper My Curls Leave-In Moisture Mist in an 8-ounce. So as you can see, it's just a sample. It just has a little black and white label on it. And if you can hear that, it is a liquid leave-in. Oh. It is a liquid leave-in, so it doesn't really come out creamy. You know, it's thicker than a water, but it's not as thick as some of the other leave-ins. I'm not sure really what that ingredient is that I smell, but it has somewhat of a herbal scent to it. So the next thing that I got in this package was the Pamper My Curls Curl Sculpting Glaze. So this is like their gel. This is a 2-ounce sample. Let me take this off and kind of give you the consistency. To use too much of this because 2 ounces ain't gonna do a lot for my hair for me to be able to try it. See that? It smells good. All of these have somewhat of a florally scent to them, but that was pretty thin. That reminded me, the consistency reminded me of like a Camille Rose curl maker a little bit. I mean, it came out of this little top a little bit thicker, but once you spread it on your hands, it melted right into your hands. It may be a little thicker, and it is sticky. I feel the stickiness right now, so it is sticky. And then the third product was the Pamper My Curls Hair and Scalp Elixir. So this is like an oil. So basically they want you to shampoo, condition, deep condition probably, put in the leave-in, put the hair oil on your scalp, and if you want to seal in the moisture, go ahead and put it down your strands, and then top it with a glaze. So I don't know, still somewhat of a herbally yet flowery, kind of herbal flower scent. But that's the oil. So it seems somewhat light. I'm just gonna rub that on my hands. Their products are natural, so I'm not scared to rub it on my skin or anything like that. So yeah, these are the 3 products that I got. So I will be giving you a review on these soon. Of course, I want to review the other INAHSI products first, and then I'll get to these, or I might, I don't think, yeah, I did get a gel, I believe, or a curling custard with the other stuff, I believe. So anyway, maybe I'll incorporate this gel with one of those other products that I got from INAHSI. But guys, let me know, did any of you pick up these samples for free that they offered to let people try them out, or not? Let me know. And then have you tried any of the other INAHSI products? Let me know if you have, what you like, what you don't like. Those reviews will be coming up shortly. So yeah, that is it, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you those products, because if you end up seeing these sitting on the shelf, I don't want you to think she went out and bought something. No, they actually sent me an email saying, hey, we're coming out with new products. I wanted to know if you would like to try them. If you do, press this, click on this button. I clicked on the button and gave them my address and all that information, and they sent me these out. So this content, when I do it, is not going to be sponsored. They didn't ask me to you know, do any special type of review or anything like that. I'm not getting paid for it or anything like that. I'm just going to try the products and I'll share it with you. If they happen to ask me, you know, email me, ask me how I like them, I will give them my honest thoughts on it as well. But no money has exchanged hands or anything like that. So I do want to let you know that. So my review and my thoughts on these products are going to be honest. And had they offered me money, it still would have been honest. But anyway, yeah, so I wanted to show you those, guys. So I'm excited. I know I was saying, guys, I'm running out of product and all this kind of stuff. But if more companies keep doing this, I might be a-okay for 2021. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you've tried any INAHSI products down in the comment section below. And make sure you hit the notification bell too, so you know when I upload my next video. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.